video, I'm going to show you 5 gardening hacks. Hacks is nothing but tips and tricks. These are going to be very easy to make your garden look beautiful and maintain it. I'll put some gardening material in the description if you want to get some things that we have got. So now let's get started. Now for the first hack, I'm going to be making eggshell planters. I'll actually show you 2 with eggshells, but I'm going to count them as 1. So for the first one, I'm just going to take a eggshell and I'm going to fill it with soil, compost or cocoa pet. I'm just using soil, and I'm just going to take some seeds. I'm going to put it in it, and I'm just going to wait for it to grow. It will take about the regular time that it takes for a normal seed to grow. I have done one before. Once your plant is about this big, you can shift it to a bigger pot or container. You can make a little hole and bury the egg, or you can just leave it like this. Now for the second one, that's also the eggshell. For this one, I'm going to take an eggshell too, and I'm just going to take some soil that I planted plants in like this. And I'm going to break the eggshell in little parts. You can use a mixer grinder. I'll just put another eggshell fertilizer in the description if you want to do that too. I'm just going to sprinkle it in the plants in little pieces. You can even crush this into some powder. This one is more like a craft, but it still counts as gardening. So I'm just going to take some popsicle sticks and cardboard that I have glued white paper onto. I'm just going to take some glue, and I'm just going to apply some glue over here. You could make these labels fancy, but I'm just going to go simple. I'm going to glue it here, and I'm going to write what plant that's there. For example, I have some rice plants. I'm just going to write that. If you want, you could decorate this. You can decorate this label. You can decorate the stick, this paper, however you want. After I have decorated it, I have placed it in my garden, and this is how it looks. For the next hack, I'll show you how to plant green onions. It's really simple. You might have an onion that has sprouted. It happens all the time when you don't cook them quickly. But we're going to use this to plant some onions. This is really simple. You just have to plant it in, and once you wait for a few weeks, you will have your own onion plant. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this. Bye.